All right, guys, we are back to talk about a pre-sale right now that has raised $7 million. Will this crypto take off? Well, that's what we're here to talk about. The potential here this one has, and it does fit the overall narrative. One of the narratives that's kind of big, this AI narrative, but this is a meme coin AI mix. It's already raised nearly 7 million. I've talked about this one before. I know quite a few people who are interested in this one, and it has gained some steam. It's still yet to launch. It's still in pre-sale. There's still some time um, for you to take a look at this one. As always, this is not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. See if it meets your eye. And when it comes to pre-sales, I always say this, I don't invest a ton into crypto pre-sales anymore. I've made the mistake of over leveraging myself in these positions. What happens a lot of time is you'll get a pump initially, all the pre-sellers get out, then you get a sell-off, and then you have to wait to see if there's public interest in that crypto. A lot of times it doesn't happen. Sometimes it does. When it does, that's when you have like what we had with Slothana that ended up being 100x. We talked about it right here on this channel during pre-sale. Now, every crypto is not going to be 100x, obviously, but there is some potential always. You just never know, right? That's the moral of the story. Now, this one is Wiener AI. Yep, you've heard it before, probably. If you haven't, it's pretty hilarious, right? So there's actually some unique utility, though. We'll talk about that. So when you purchased the WAI token right now with Ethereum USDT or card during pre-sale, you're getting in at 30724. But I want to highlight this right here. They are nearly at $7 million raised, which is kind of crazy when you think about it. Now, a lot of people have talked about this. There's Claybro, some other people in the space. There's definitely potential here. Now, what they have, and again, it's interesting because it's not just, a meme coin. There is utility here. AI enhanced trading. So we'll have to see what this looks like to see if this is unique, but they're calling it an AI interface that's instant, predictive, and noob friendly. Then they have their swap, which everybody kind of does that. That's kind of like a plug and play. They do have MEV protection. Okay. Never get front run by a MEV bot again. I'm very curious to see how this looks. And then also there's no fees on this token as well, which I like, right? So I'm very curious to see how this plays out in terms of the MEV protection and the AI enhanced trading. The swap, the zero fees, that's kind of standard procedure. But these two right here, I'm interested to see what that looks like. Now, pre-sales at 30%, that's still okay. I'd like to see it at 20% for tokenomics. I've seen 20% pre-sale work the best. 30% is not bad. What I don't like or don't agree with necessarily is when it's like 50%, because then there's like no retail interest, especially if they, sell out during that pre-sale. So they give you, the step-by-steps on how to get in here if you're interested in that. And then obviously some other frequently asked questions here. They do have a white paper. I'll leave that up to you if you want to dive into that and check into it. They do have over 14,000 people on their X account, as it has been out for quite a while in terms of the pre-sale. And it says here back on June 11th, more than just a bot, your ultimate crypto trading companion, delighted to share some sneak peeks with our incredible and supportive community. So they are starting to show off their utility a little bit. If you've ever felt like crypto trading is complicated, you're not alone. That's why we've built the Wiener AI with simplicity in mind. It acts like most AI chatbots you've used before, except this bot helps you find winning crypto trades. Now, consider this the ChatGPT of crypto. Not only will the bot find winning trades with unrivaled accuracy and give meaningful reasoning for its suggestions, but Wiener AI is swap enabled, meaning you don't have to leave the app to place your trades. Once a trade is made, easily track your positions and your swap history with the easy to use user interface. Wiener AI is about to blow your mind. Stay tuned for more sneak peeks as we move closer to launch. This was back in early June. They have continued to raise a ton during the pre-sale, nearly 7 million raised. If you're interested in this one, guys, links will be down below. Shout out to the team for sponsoring today's video. I appreciate you guys and appreciate all of you for watching right here on this channel. Of course, we go live every single morning during the week, 8:30 a.m. Eastern, where we talk about the entire market, small caps, large caps. We have a ton of news videos out here, and I bring you some early stage projects that partner up with the channel And we have hit on a few of these this year. You just never know which ones they could be. So dive in, give it your own research, see if it meets your eye. I appreciate you guys for watching. Oh, and by the way, I highly encourage you, for all these pre-sales, hop in the Telegram, get the vibe, see if it's something you like. And again, we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.